Dr. Abhishek Raj, renowned oncologist. 2 minutes.
So I think, thank you everyone, I will not take much time. So I think the name of Dr. Swami Vivekananda has come almost 7-8 times today. We have talked about education, we have talked about spirituality, we have talked about mental health. He also mentioned about physical health. So I'm a full-time medical oncologist. I treat cancer. We are doing innovative therapies. We are bringing cellular therapies to treat resistant cancers. And my days are spent treating some of the patients who are battling some of the hardest battles of their life, which is cancer. And yet, alongside, I'll just reflect a brief about my journey. I also completed Ironman triathlon, which is 3.8 kilometers of swimming. It is immediately followed by 180 kilometers of cycling,
Very good.
and then 42.2 kilometers of running. And this is to be completed within 15 hours. I was not a born athlete. I did not start. I started almost everybody like you sitting in this hall. I had a full-time career. I come from AIIMS, where I used to work even 36 hours shifts. So it was not easy. So it's all about priorities. There were mornings when I just wanted to stay in the bed, but I realized that if I can find time to scroll Instagram, I can find time for myself. I can find time to devote to physical health. When I've come into oncology, believe me, in the past 12-13 years, the landscape of diseases have changed. This lifestyle diseases have become so predominant. It is going to be the leading cause of not only diabetes, obesity, but also for cancer in the coming years. So you have to take out time for yourself. Fitness is not about just building a six-pack or just running a marathon. It is much more. So basically, I'm not saying that you start doing Ironmans. Whoever is sitting over here, just start with something else. किसी ने कोटा फैक्ट्री देखी है? कोटा फैक्ट्री एक सीरीज है. उसमें चीतू भैया है. What he used to say, किसी भी आदत को बनाना है ना, वो सेम काम 21 दिन लगातार कर लो, फिर मजा आने लगता है. So that is how you need to start. Just start with maybe 5 push-ups. Just go out for a brisk walk for 30 minutes every day. Even WHO tells you that. WHO says that people who are more than 30 years of age, they should spend at least 150 minutes to take out every week for exercise. For youths, it is even much higher. They also recommend you should do 2 days of strength training. So why I am telling that you can reverse this. I have faced this situation. When I started doing all this, I was weighing 102 kilos. I was battling a lot of lifestyle diseases. I was having migraine, I was having grade 2 fatty liver, I had my liver functions were through the roof, and that is when I decided, no, enough is enough. You have to take care of control of your life, and that is how I started. People often ask me, time कैसे manage करते हो? इतना demanding job है, oncology है, I am a dad to a beautiful 7-year-old daughter, उसको भी time देना होता. How do you manage time? So it's about prioritizing. अपना phone खोल के देखना. And just see how much is your screen time. Now you can just cut down 30 to 40 minutes of your screen time and devote to your own fitness. It is going to make a world of difference. And it also helps you professionally. It helps to make you calm. It helps you in your career to make you focus. So with that, I just like to conclude that the message I am trying to give is that apart from education, apart from your spirituality, you also devote time to your own self. It will make you better, it will make you fitter, and it will also help you to grow professionally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Abhishek Raj. You have covered many aspects. Thankful for your presence. And I'm sure once we invite you for a bigger program where you can guide on all the points you have mentioned, we are grateful.
Miss Pooja.